Sikhulumile nabantu bahamba njengepikoko everybody. Abanye strutting like peacocks. Sikhulumile nabo bonke political parties eparliament. Nalo baba wethu wasishiya la sikhulumile naye. Wabe yena ehamba phambili sithakezi lapho. Ngoba lama election are not free and fair and uwinile 2/3. Uye court. So ngiyenizwa abanye benu manikhuluma nithi hey why ningakhulumi nabafowethu ngapha? Sikhulumile nabo abafowenu. Omnakwethu sakhuluma nabo sathi sondelani nganeno sikhuluma ngegovernment of national unity bathi bona base court masinyula upresident laphana bebengekho bebese court niyakhumbula bathi kuthi if siza ngolamaphosa abayingeni nje into yethu ngama lapha ngimandate ngabomandla la ku NEC SGhambu yokhuluma ukuthi umuntu ozangaliyonto noba sine 40% siyabonga ngama eTV ni ndathi umuntu ozositshela ukuthi akafuna umongameli wethu chayizule. We are not getting into this thing with a cap in the hand. Sithathe isigqoko sithe sathi asincengi le exam kade sinikezwa uFloyd asizuyibhala this time around ngoba lamfana wasibhalisa iexam ithe masiqeda ukuyibhala wathi siyifailile. Uyabona uprincipal ohambe ebhalisa abantu ama-exam abafailisa kodwa bepasile uyahamba abe yilento ayiyo manje hambe esithubeni ngoba lo principal lo akekho right. So wasifaka isikolo sathi no asingeni lonto sikhulume nomuntu wonke and we invited everybody to come to the government of national unity. 10 political parties signed what is called a statement of intent. Nifundile lo statement of intent? Nifundile? Yes. Baba ngapha bayifundile la? Phakamisa izandla. Nayifunda statement of intent. Lebe bethu umbalulu usayine into akayazi nokuthi isho ukuthini. Usayinele ifreedom yethu. Uyathanda ukusayina umbalulu akayifundanga lento. Ndifuna ukubona manje nayifunda. Nayifunda comrades. Phakamisa isandla. Niyasaba ukuthi nizonibuza ukuthi